Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm Chef Bhumika and I'm always on a lookout for great lunchbox recipes that are filling as well as tasty. So today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom cheese sandwich. Let's get started. We're going to start with our filling first. Let's switch on our gas. I have a pan right here to which I'm going to add some oil. We'll let the oil heat up first. Our oil has heated now. I'm going to add some mushrooms to it. I'm going to add the onions along with the mushrooms. These are sliced onions. We'll saute the mushrooms for 5 to 6 minutes. The mushrooms are almost cooked. At this point of time, I'm going to add some chopped garlic. These are 2 cloves and a pinch of salt. We'll saute this for a couple of more minutes. The mushrooms are nicely cooked. There's some nice browning on them. Now I'm going to switch off the gas and add some black pepper. You could also go in with some herbs like rosemary. Just toss this around and we'll let this cool for about 10 minutes. So our filling has cooled down completely and I've taken it out in a bowl. Let's start assembling our sandwich right now. I have some brown bread here. You can also use any kind of white bread or multigrain bread that you like. Let's start with some cheese. This is mild cheddar. I'm just going to sprinkle it on one side of the bread. Then it's time for our mushrooms. Some more cheese. And we'll close the sandwich now. Now that our sandwich is assembled, let's start heating our pan first. And I'm going to apply some butter on top of our bread. This will ensure a nice caramelization on your bread. Be generous. So I'm going to place the sandwich butter side down on the pan. And I'm going to apply some more butter on the other side. Let's flip our sandwich now. Our sandwich is nice, golden and crispy from both sides. Let's take it off. A mushroom and cheese sandwich is now ready. Apart from being a great lunchbox recipe, you can also have this for breakfast or as an evening snack. When you try this recipe, do let me know about your experience in the comment section below. Like this video and share it with everyone you know. I'll see you next time.